Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about Bing Chat AI and how to use it on your devices. Now, Bing Chat is a different version of Chat GPT. Now, many of you probably didn't realize this, but Microsoft is the one that's actually funding OpenAI's Chat GPT, the AI text tool that everyone is using. But if you want to get the latest version of Chat GPT 4, sometimes you're better off using Bing Chat as opposed to Chat GPT 4 because Bing Chat is completely free and all it requires is a free login. Now, you're probably looking at me saying, oh my gosh, Burton, don't you realize that Chat GPT is also free? It is to a point. Now, if you're wanting to use the more advanced features, including Chat GPT 4, then you would need to pay the $20 a month subscription for OpenAI's Chat GPT. But with Bing Chat, if you've got a Microsoft 365 account or any Microsoft account, you can use Bing Chat and get it and be able to take advantage of the advanced features of Chat GPT, and that includes Chat GPT 4. Now, Bing Chat is available everywhere, which makes it great. The official Chat GPT app is only available for iOS devices. So that means if you have an iPhone or an iPad, then you can download the Chat GPT app. But if you're an Android user, then you would need to download Bing and have access to Chat GPT or Bing Chat. Now, why am I telling you this? One of the reasons is because there's a lot of bogus Chat GPT apps out there, and you need to beware because this form of fleeceware is designed to give you the tools of Chat GPT, but you will be charged exorbitant prices for using a program which is, in all essence, completely free. So how do we get started using Bing Chat? Pretty darn simple. All you need is a browser on both your Windows and Mac and on your smartphone. So we're going to start with Windows as far as using Bing Chat. Let me make some adjustments here and let's go to our desktop so that you can kind of see what's going on. So this is Bing at www.bing.com. Now, I will tell you, on a Windows-based computer, if you want to use Bing Chat, you do have to download the Microsoft Edge browser, which obviously if you're a Windows 10 or 11 user, you already have access to. Now, if you're a Windows 7 user watching this, 7 hasn't been around for a while, so it's time to upgrade to Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, let's get back to our desktop. Now, from our desktop, as you can see, you're at the Made Bing website, and one of the things that you'll probably notice is that Edge is not my default browser. So I'm going to click Not Now to get rid of that. Now, on Bing, it starts off with your normal browser. So if you're a newbie, understand that Bing is Microsoft's Google search engine. Just like for Google, their search engine is Google. So I want to get that straight so you'll understand when I say Bing, I'm basically talking about the search engine itself, not Edge, which is the Microsoft browser. So at the Bing website, you can go to bing.com and it gives you an example of what you could look for in Bing. Now, one of the things about Bing is that you can search using an image, or you can click on the microphone icon and use your voice to do a voice search with Bing, just like Uncle Google will allow you to do a voice search within the browser and the app. Now, to get to Bing Chat in the Microsoft Bing website, you need to click on Chat, which is up here in the upper left-hand corner. So we're going to click on Chat. What it's going to do is it's going to switch from search to chat, and then it brings us the all-new Bing, which is your AI-powered co-pilot for the web. Now, as far as Bing Chat is concerned, you pretty much have the same limitations that you have with ChatGPT. and features. So you can ask complex questions, like it's saying here, get better answers. And you can get creative with inspiration. So understand also, like Chat GPT, Bing does have limitations. It's not accurate, and you need to fact check anytime that you use AI, because there are mistakes abound. But always, the people with Bing Chat are upgrading it all of the time. So you can do also, which you don't see on Chat GPT, you can do more creative conversation, balanced, which is my preference, and then finally, more precise. Now, you can ask it anything, like say, hey, tell me why, if I could spell that right, why clouds are white. And then what I'm going to do is click on the search, and it gives me a few seconds. I can stop it, but then it will give out a response. Now, I will say the difference between ChatGPT and Bing Chat is the fact that Bing Chat is a little bit slower as far as its responses are concerned. ChatGPT will bring up a response almost instantaneously. In all instances, Bing Chat will take a little bit of time, but still, overall, with text-based AI, it's a lot better to go through a I almost lost my train of thought, but I was going to say with text-based, still going to come up a lot quicker, and it's better than going through a bunch of Google searches to find the answers that you want. Now, what about Macintosh users? You're a Mac user. You're like, oh my goodness, how can I take advantage of Bing Chat on my Mac? Pretty darn simple. So let's take a look at a Mac. So on my Mac Mini, first thing that you need to do on your Mac Mini is to go to the App Store, which I've already have here. So basically, you would go to the Apple menu, you go to the App Store, and lo and behold, we'll recreate that. So it brings it up. What you need to do is search for Bing. It'll bring up Microsoft Bing for Safari, and then you can download Bing onto your Mac. Now, one of the good things about Bing is, as you can see down on the lower right-hand corner, it will install a plugin in Safari, which will allow you to not necessarily download the Bing browser, but you can use Safari to surf in, or to use Bing. Now, bringing up Safari, and as you can see, I'm at the Bing website. If you go to Bing without downloading the plugin, it's going to goof up on you. But it's the same results as your Windows computer. So if you wanted to go to Bing Chat, you just go to bing.com on your Mac using Safari. Well, actually, it should allow you to do it, but look at that. Chat mode is available only if you download Edge. So sorry, Mac people. You got to download Bing on your Mac in order to use Bing Chat. So again, you can download for Mac OS. Good thing we did this, didn't it? Also, it's going to ask you if you've got the Intel or the Apple chip. You accept the terms. A few seconds, it's going to download Bing, or actually Edge, the browser. And then once Edge is downloaded, like we've got up here, and thank God I've got Google Fiber. Let's go to our downloads. Let's go to the Edge package, and it will download it and install it for you. But once you get Bing installed, or Edge on your computer, then you can just use it like you normally would. Let me enter in that password. Let's install our software. But again, once it's all said and done, once you have Bing on your Mac, then you just go to, or not Bing, but if you have Edge on your Mac, go to Edge, open up Bing like we did on the Windows computer, and it will allow you to do it. So let me go back because our download's done. We're going to hit close. We're going to move the installer to the trash, and there's Edge jumping in the lower corner there, and it will open up in a few seconds. And here we are. Edge is there. It's taking its sweet time, isn't it? I will say now, people are saying, what is the advantage of using or downloading Edge on my Mac? Well, again, and I know this is out here, but there are Macintosh users that are using Office 365. So if you are one of those Mac users, it's better to use 365, your 365 account, as opposed to using anything else. But once we're there, we can skip all this stuff. Just go to Bing.com while we're in Microsoft Edge, you believe it or not, on a Macintosh computer, and then it will allow you to do its thing. So we're going to X out of that. You've seen this. And we're going to talk about the app. But there you go. You can see there's Chat GPT or Bing Chat on your Mac, and you can use it just like you did on the Windows computer. So we have that. So finally, let's talk about apps. And there is an app for everything. So we're going to bring up, if I can bring it up, Lonely Screen, so that I can share my iPhone with you so that you can see how Bing Chat is going to work on your app. So let me do screen sharing on my smartphone. It's coming up, and then we'll switch to it so that you can see how it works. So we've got the screen mirroring going down or up or into the app. But anyway, here we are. So there's my smartphone. As you can see, I'm scrolling through and looking at different stuff. But now understand with Bing Chat on your smartphone, both Android and iPhone, because it looks the same, and this is an iPhone. If you want to go to Chat or Bing Chat, you would have to click on the Bing down here. Up here where the search is, that's if you do a regular browser search. And of course, like on the desktop, you can do microphone or you can do camera. But if we click on Bing Chat, which I'm going to do right now, again, welcome to Bing. And you've got several options. You can use images, you can type it in, or you can use your voice to actually search Bing Chat on AI. And hopefully that makes life simpler for you. Now, if you're an iPhone user, again, you can go with ChatGPT and download the actual app to your phone. But if you're an Android user and you want ChatGPT on your Android phone, be sure to download the Bing app from the Google Play Store. So that way you can take advantage of AI and use it to the fullest. So isn't that pretty amazing? ChatGPT app for Android and iOS devices. So if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. Would love to hear from you to find out if there's ways that I can help you get Bing Chat Bing Chat. Yeah, we're talking about Bing Chat. To get Bing Chat on your devices. And as always, if you know someone who needs help with their technology, please be sure to comment on this video, tag your friends in this video, and share this video with all your friends so that they can get the most out of the technology in their lives. So again, my goal with all of these videos is to help you get more out of the devices in your life and help you realize your goals and dreams with the tech that you use at home and at work. I love technology. I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.